What happens when the temperature falls below 38 degrees? Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so we had our first frost 2 days ago, and I'm just gonna show you the garden, show you what it did to the garden. Temperatures, when the temperatures drop below 38 degrees, this is what happened to your plants. And actually the garden is over, outdoor gardening is over, because everything is killed and everything is dead. Most of the tropical plants, the only things that are gonna be left are the cold resistant plants, but everything else is gone. So let me give you a quick tour of the garden, show you what's left and what the cold weather did to it when we had our first frost. Okay, let's go. So you can see right here the leaves all gone. You can see the garden egg that's still left there. Right there, you can see this is a kale. The kale can survive the cold temperature, but the rest of the tropical plants are all gone. See the pumpkins, I'm gonna harvest the pumpkins and take them inside. But the leaves for most of the tropical plants, the water leaf, the spinach, not the spinach, the African spinach, the green, the sweet bitter leaf and the bitter leaf, all of them. You can see garden egg, peppers, everything, huckleberry. You can see they have the seeds of the huckleberries left there, but the leaves are gone, so that's all done. And over here, same thing, all the even some weeds die off. Things that survive are the onions like these, the kale and the color green survive the temperatures. As you can see, we have some stuff eating the kale and the color green, but they will survive the cold weather and be back next year. But most of the stuff in the garden is, as you can see, it's all dead. And you can see all the leaves from all the trees. All the leaves are falling off, so covering the whole garden with the leaves, but everything else is gone. You can see the leaves on the ground. All the pumpkin leaves and all the other leaves they're done. So that's how it goes. That's the garden. And we just have to get ready for next year and wait till next year, and then we can start all over again. But this is our process we go through every year. When the temperature drops to below 38 degrees, everything, especially tropical plants, they all die off, and we wait again till spring to start again. So that is it. Okay, that's it, everybody. Let me know what you think about it. If you are living in the same situation where you have temperatures falling, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you guys have a much better time, especially those in the south that doesn't have the people in the south don't have as much cold weather as us over here. So hopefully you guys have a much better time. But that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.